Hi, Darren Gabbard here with 345 Auction. How are you? We have an auction coming up. It's actually going on right now. That is a bit of a specialty auction in as much as if you are a woodworker, this is going to be one of good interest to you. We've got a lot of just amazing woodworking tools. The estate of the man whose tools we are selling did not buy junk. He bought the best that he could get. And probably if you are a woodworker, you are familiar with this right here. These are Festools. And I had no idea what Festools were until they came in. And everybody that I know who is a woodworker says, oh my God, they're Festools. So I want to show you some of these tools. I mean, look at this. They're German. You've got to love the way German engineers put stuff together. It's wonderful. It's made by Der Elves and Der Woods, of course. But I mean, it's really wonderful stuff. So the system that they have for the Festools, you can unlock this one, take it off the top, and then this is the one that I want to show you right here. This is the Domino XL machine. Ooh, and it's a big one. And it is heavy. So let's take it over here. This table saw is also in there. There's a built-in router on the end. I love this thing. I mean, it's really a great auction for woodworkers. So this thing right here makes dominoes. And this has got to be, oh, he said. There we go. Oh, it's a heavy one. But it is a gorgeous piece of equipment. It's solid, it's well built. Again, that German engineering, you gotta love it. This, I'll put a link for this specific piece in the video description below. You can check it out. If you would like to bid on anything that I show you today, you will need to register with the auction. You can do that through the link that I will provide. And then at that point, you'll be able to bid in the auction, perhaps this piece if you want to. But here's the good thing, you'll also be able to bid on any or in any future auction with us, which is really kind of, whoops, wait a minute, which is a great thing because we've got great stuff coming up for auction all the time. And once you're on our list, we'll send you out reminders when we have a new auction. Now, one of the other things that is so cool about the tools that we have here, we have these hand tools. I just showed you some of the Festool power tools, but these things are freaking works of art. This one right here is a Lee Nielsen out of Maine. And then the one that's right next to it, this one here, this is a Veritas plane from Canada. And you can feel the difference when you hold these. They are so beautiful, so wonderfully made. I mean, if you need a hand plane, trust me, this is the one that you're going to want. All of this is coming up for auction, let's see, on the 6th of April. If you've never bid with us, you will need to register. It's quick, it's easy. We don't bother you. We don't sell your information at all. But once you have registered, like I said, you'll be good to go with any future auction. If you have any questions, you can drop us a comment or through the website, and we'd be happy to answer any of the questions that you have. Again, this is coming up on April 6th at 7 p.m., I believe. And if this is something that you're interested in, woodworking tools, this is your auction. So good luck.